how to unrestrict an account or a person or on Instagram. Hello guys, today I will show you how to do this. Just watch this video until the end and make sure that you like and subscribe in this video. So let's start. First you will just go and open your Instagram. After this, when your Instagram is opening, you just go to search for the person that you restrict him. We go to search. For example, I restrict this account before. I will go to him, then I will go to this 3 point at the top of the screen, then I will click unrestrict, and that's it. As you see, account unrestricted. And that's it. I hope this video is useful for you. Don't forget to like and subscribe in our channel, and see you next video.